In this video, I show concern for my daughter's safety. I reveal the emotional connection I have with love locks.
A lot of money in locks here.
And I get hit with a snowball. Today, we're just north of Sudbury, at the beautiful high falls in Onaping, Ontario. And we seek out the hidden ice caves deep in the adjacent forest. And today, Mickey and I are happy to be joined by my daughter and our friend. After a short but slippery walk from the parking area, we're greeted by beautiful scenery and the subject of an unsolved mystery. This is High Falls, and these waterfalls caught the eye of renowned Canadian painter A.Y. Jackson of the Group of Seven. But I'll fill in the rest of the story a little later on. After visiting possibly the cutest little snowman I've ever seen, our attention turns to the bridge across the Onaping River. The sides of the bridges are adorned with dozens of padlocks. Legend has it that this practice started during World War I on a particular bridge in a small town in Serbia. To protect their own loves, young women in the Serbian town would write their names with the names of their loved ones and attach them to the bridge. These love locks, as they're called, can now be found on bridges all over the world. However, this sentimental practice is not always appreciated, and in many places, the locks are removed. With bright blue skies and surprisingly warm temperatures, the four of us make our way deeper into the forest, pausing every once in a while to enjoy the scenery. Now, let's return to that A.Y. Jackson mystery.
You're a jerk.
It was here, in 1953, that he painted a piece entitled Spring on the Onaping River. The painting was purchased by students of a local high school, where it was proudly displayed for over 2 decades. In August 1974, someone entered the locked high school and made off with Spring on the Onaping River and one other Jackson piece named A Windy Day, Lake Superior. 50 years later, the mystery remains unsolved and the whereabouts of the 2 valuable pieces of art remain unknown. We finally arrive at the ice caves, and once again, Mickey is awestruck. We spent several minutes enjoying the ice sculptures and unspoiled natural surroundings. Before we left, I wanted to coax the camera-shy Mickey into posing for just one photo. He wasn't too happy about it, but he did eventually give in. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video.